The railway back in the day was a job for life. You were part of a family because you had your colleagues there to support you. And we looked after our passengers. If they didn't have the price of a cup of tea, you would give a cup of tea out to them. You know what I mean? Everybody loved working on the railway. Not anymore. Privatisation, massive cuts. Most days you're either verbally abused or assaulted. A customer that came to me said that there were a gentleman collapsed in the aisle. I went down to see what assistance we could give. We said, "Are you okay?" All of a sudden he got up and he started chasing me right up the carriage, smashing his fists into the seats, the windows. The train manager managed to get assistance for the next stop. It took 10 policemen to restrain him to get him off the train. I was lucky to escape. Now that did affect me very, very bad, that one. But again, when we were met by my manager, he says, "Oh, you'll be all right, Kathy. You're used to these things." The violence was at an all-time high. I had so many females that used to come to me crying, saying they did not feel safe. I've noticed the sickness rate has gone really, really high. I've noticed people's mental health deteriorating. Safety is a big issue.